Okay, we're gonna wash the car. Wash the car. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing this. Okay, let's see. Like that? Oh. This? No. Second? Which? This?
No info täältä. Ir antras.
Oh. Oh.
Joo, idea.
Okay. Yay. Whoa. Nice. It's gonna be good and clean. Good and clean. Cool card. Oh no, you got 13 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was fast. Yep, no more water for you. If this is water, it's not just water, it's soap and stuff. I don't know. What now? Okay. Yeah, I thought so. Time for 3. I said 3. How hard do I have to click? Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. 3. There we go. Wow. Easy. Oh, I see. That looks more like soap. Okay. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so many things. So many steps. Yeah. It's gonna be good and clean. Okay, so I've understood the system now. Okay, I've got this. Card.
Wait.
4.
Wait.
What?
Who did?
It's 4 now. There you go. Ah! Yeah. The flip got wet. Oh. That was refreshing, wasn't it? Okay, brush time. 5. Whoa. Wow. Nice. It's splashing everywhere though. Alrighty, my turn. Let's do this. Go. I'm ready. found the weak one.
Thomas wheels!
Oh! That's enough? Isn't
No.
it? What? $30. Hold on. Hold on. 7.
7 what is
Trykk voks via høytrykkslands bla 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 Norwegian. You've got 7? Okay. Cool car. It's 6 again. Time for drying. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Give me the card.
Where is it?
The card? Where's... What do you... Oh, it's a dry. It's there. Thank you. There we go. And you're ready to dry the car. Here we go. Pretty neat. And vacuum time. Yep. It's dark. I know. McDonald's! Not that I care. I'm not going there. So apparently my mom broke the vacuum cleaner. Ain't that right? Is it broken? No? Okay.
Den måste vara size.
Told you.